Grote Industries is proud to present XTL LED technology, the most extremely thin, extremely flexible, and extremely durable LED light strip on the market today. To start your install, note all the needed parts: the XTL battery box, 3 pre-cut strips of 3M tape to secure the battery, and 2 pre-cut strips of 3M tape to secure the strip. You'll also want a clean cloth and isopropyl alcohol or cleaning solution to clean the install surfaces. The first part of the install will involve the XTL battery box. To start, let's apply the 3 strips of 3M tape to the back of the battery. The strips are included with the battery pack in the box. To install, remove the clear liner on the back of the strips and apply to the battery box, applying firm pressure to ensure a good seal. Repeat this for all 3 pieces of the tape. Next, install the 3M tape to the back of the XTL light strip. Turn the strip over to the back side. Remove the clear liner from the 3M strip and gently lay the tape in the center of the strip, starting from the end, taking care to get it centered along the back side of the strip. Apply the same firm pressure to ensure a solid bond between tape and strip. Next, you'll want to take the cloth and cleaning solution and prep the surface that you'll be applying the light strip and battery to while the tape is curing. Remove the cover from the battery case and install 8 fresh AA batteries, then replace the cover. Now you're ready to install your light strip to the surface of your vehicle. First, remove the red coating on the 3M tape to expose the adhesive material, and then find the location of where you'd like the strip to go. Gently place to make sure you're happy with its location, and then press firmly along the length of the strip to ensure a seal with your vehicle. It's really that easy. Clean the surface that will house the battery pack, then take your battery box, remove the 3M tape liners, and place the battery box in the place you just cleaned. Again, press firmly to ensure a quality seal. Now that you have installed your light and battery box, it's time to wire them together. To do that, connect the bullet connectors from the strip to the battery box. Test it to make sure everything works smoothly. Simply press the on-off switch on the battery box. Congratulations, you've successfully installed Grote XTL LED light strips on your truck.